Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to do a quick beauty related vlog, which I normally don't do, right? But today is a little bit different. It is Mother's Day and I'm kind of just chilling at home, relaxing. And this week I finally got my package from Fenty Beauty I ordered. So I'm gonna do this unboxing and I probably will show you guys what it looks like on me. Just a quick little look. And yeah, so stay tuned. All right, so I actually ended up ordering this during a promotional sale. So one of the promotions was you get like the makeup bag and a primer for free if you ordered a certain amount. I think it was like $65 or more or something like that. So let me make sure my address thing is not showing. Yeah. All right, so this is the makeup bag. So I'm actually happy because now I definitely have something to keep my makeup in. It's cute. All right, so I guess this is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I normally don't ever, and I got this in honey. I normally never do like the powder, like setting and bathing and all that. Like I'm literally just now learning what those terms mean. I have no idea. Okay, like for real. All right, give me 1 second. I'm actually gonna get my light. All right, so this is the baking powder, and I think you put it on after the foundation and concealer, something like that. So we're gonna see if this definitely helps a lot more. Okay, I guess this is like the sifter that comes with it. Told you I don't ever wear it, so I think so. Nice. Next, I bought Pro Filt'r Mini Instant Retouch Primer. Okay, so yeah. So this actually came, it was like free with the bag. If you ordered like $65 or more, that was part of like a promotional thing when I bought it. So primer is basically you put it on before, like I would say, like you moisturize your face and then you put this on before you apply the actual foundation. And I definitely need that. So I was like, let me try that. I normally, like I say, I don't even ever buy this type of stuff. Oops. Before, normally I gotta just get some foundation, eyeliner, mascara. All right, this is Universal Lip Luminizer. I love this color. Like, I don't know. I hope it looks pretty. We're gonna see. But I like this color. I normally, lately, I've been wearing a lot of nude colors. I love nude, and I've always loved nude. But before I got my veneers, I did not like wearing nude on my lips. I didn't like any like bold lip color because obviously, like, because I used to have to like open my medication up when I was a little girl. I couldn't swallow pills, and I had to take medicine every day for my Crohn's disease. It like discolored my teeth, so I hated like bright colors. Even though I love beautiful bold colors, but I could not wear it because it just didn't look right. Instant Retouch Concealer. So I'm very excited about that. I wear concealer sometime too, for sure, already. But I think I've always wanted to try some that was like, I don't know, like that, like specifically went with the foundation, if that makes sense. So we'll see what this looks like. This is the Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Yeah, let me open this one up. And I had this in color 370. So, we are going to see what this looks like on my skin tone. I'm hoping that I got the right color, because, you know, this is all online, so you never know. Okay, it's not actually online. It's not. Okay. I'm hoping that, you know, it matches, and I don't end up having to send this back. But look, by the looks of it, it's definitely gonna match. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, so I also got the brow pencil. Well, it's not a pencil. Let me open it up. And I got it in soft black. I think it has the comb or something on the end of it as well. Sorry, I'm holding this stand and trying to. Yes, this is beautiful. So you can blend it in. Perfect. I can't wait to see how this turns out. Perfect. All right, and then I ended up getting 2 concealers, which I was so mad about. I tried to stop it in order, but they had already processed it, she said. So, and then I got, okay, yeah, the Cheeks Out Freestyle cream blush. So at first I wasn't gonna order any blush because I was like, well, I already got some blush, but I was like, no, let me order some that fits my skin tone. And that's the other thing about it with Fenty Beauty. When you order, you get they basically match your skin complexion to the foundation, but they also literally pick out, like, okay, based on your foundation color, this is the blush, the setting powder, all of that. Like, they literally give you, like, they match everything, like everything, all the product that you need for your look, for your complexion. Let me see if I can open this. And I think this is like a rosy color. So it's probably gonna be like a little, you know, red, which I like. You know, I ain't gonna put it on too heavy, but I like. Hold on. I like blush. Okay, yep, it's dark. So I'm definitely not gonna put it on too heavy, but I'm excited about that. And I got a mirror with that. So perfect. So what I'm about to do is try this whole look, try all these products, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I don't even wear this type of stuff, like the setting powder and all that stuff. So I don't even know how this gonna look. But I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna let you know how it turns out. All right, see you guys shortly. All right, so this is what 370 looks like. So I'm filming over this and just telling you what products I have on, which is all of the products. I have, yeah, the foundation is 370, and I have on the blush, and I have on the concealer. I use the brow pencil for my eyebrows, and I put on a little bit of like a bronzy eyeshadow. I have the luminizer lip gloss on, which I think is great. And I put on a little bit of Maybelline concealer on top of the honey. No, it's not honey, but the concealer that goes with this color. I did not use any setting powder on this, but anyway, just kind of give you an idea what it looks like on me if you're my complexion. Because I know when I initially was ordering Fenty, I was looking for somebody that looked like me, like my color, my complexion, so I can make sure it matched well. So just trying to help you guys out a little bit. Again, I don't know how to do the contour and all that stuff, so don't judge me. Okay. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you want me to do any more beauty stuff, let me know. This is about all I can do right now. Yeah. All right. See you guys next time.